So here's the bottom line. When I look at DoorDash, Netflix, Zoom, DocuSign, and Peloton, what I am looking at are which one of these companies has a model that could keep it going into the future that is useful. And when I look at these stocks, like Zoom is competing with Microsoft Teams, and Teams has over 100 million people using Teams now, video conferencing. I think these stocks continue to be a source of funds for the economy, reopening stocks. And I have to be careful in terms of making recommendations. But when I see these companies, businesses, I see them all moderating in growth except one. So it's not a recommendation, it's just my opinion. I see one of these companies that could continue its growth, and that's DocuSign, and I'll tell you why. It gets us further and further into the paperless office. Once you've used DocuSign, you will never go back. It is so convenient, so easy to use, makes record keeping, transfer of documents, storage of documents, passing along documents, signed documents. It's a wonderful company. They do an incredible job. And I don't see growth for them slowing. Businesses use DocuSign, and once businesses get a taste of what they could do with the DocuSign, why would they ever go back to faxing, scanning, and mailing documents? Because DocuSign signature is as good as a wet signature. A wet signature means when you actually take a pen and sign the document. So that's the one I think that has the continued growth going for it, and that's my story. I'm sticking to it.